Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. Welcome to all of you. Well, here we go again. Seems like what was used to be a once every 50 to 100 year event is now turning into an annual event here, and that's the fire season in NorCal. You can hear some of the Cal Fire planes overhead and helicopters here as they're surveying the fires, just backing up a little bit over the weekend. Friday night and also Saturday evening, we had over 1,000 lightning strikes in Northern California here, and they resulted in multiple fires around the area. And yesterday afternoon, I could start to see ashes come from the sky. It almost looked like it was snowing heavily here. I sent some of those short video clips to some friends, and it's very scary. So I woke up this morning, and there's that smoke smell of burning wood in the air today, and as well, you can actually see the smoke line on the west. Well, unfortunately, this time we have multiple fires, and especially out where Janet and the boss live in the area around Vacaville, around that area in Fairfield, Vallejo. Janet and the boss's house is not under a evacuation order in that particular area of Solano County because they got a fire that's raging out of control. And in the morning, about 2 a.m., the Sheriff's Department and Fire got on their loud hailers and told people to evacuate the area. They're okay. There's still a good distance buffer between the fire and them, but it is 0% containment. And yeah, I have the same situation out on the west here. There's a fire. That's where the smoke is coming from in the thumbnail. So I'm hoping they get things under control. What's really bad is there's multiple, and then there's down in Southern California. So what's also disconcerting is this is August. Normally these big fires happen in September and October when things get really dry. So yeah, please keep the boss and Janet in your prayers, and for all of us here in NorCal as we endure another season coming up of massively destructive fires. I also want to thank those of you yesterday who and today who took time to see yesterday's little run through Alexander Valley. Probably the most beautiful area of wine country out here, and one of the premier places. I had wanted to go inside and visit the Coppola winery, but due to the restrictions, I was unable to, and I'm kind of sad about that because got everybody all worked up, and then boom, hit the parking lot unless you had a reservation for wine tasting or the pool. Then you weren't going to get in. Well, I sure as hell wasn't going to spend a couple $100 for a wine tasting to get inside. But hopefully in a month or so, the restrictions will be lifted by the state. In the meantime, thank you for your support and everything, everybody. And sorry, I got floppy hair here today. And like I said, please spare a thought for the boss and Janet, anybody that's dealing with the resulting NorCal wildfires. There's 0% containment on them. They had hoped that the winds would die down, but they were gusty last night. And the good news is there's a chance that this heat wave, the back of that will be broken, and it won't be as hot going forward, but we will see. On that note, I'm going to close it out and say thank you guys. Thumbs up are appreciated. Your thoughts and prayers, and have a wonderful day.